Okay, so we've got a Rotel 240 from Trucking and Farming International, and it was absolutely splendid. It's a bit off tune, retune, and we've got absolutely splendid performance, especially on receive. Well, you can't argue we're doing a full 4 watt either. Tango 21 test. Can you check there's a memory card in that other camcorder?
Right, so I'm ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger. Right, we're passing the house to recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane.
Bassy, trebly, bassy,
now passing the
trebly.
passing place and doggy daycare.
Roger on that, hold on.
Roger, looks like the moles are having fun in doggy daycare as well.
Yeah, perhaps the doggies can escape down the mole holes.
I don't think that's but I bet the doggies love sniffing the mole holes.
Yeah, I bet they'd been like to sniff that dead pheasant that was there the other day.
Roger that, right, we're now at the end of the lane.
Got you at the...
That right, we're now at the end of the lane. You're at the end of the lane. How many times? Good. Passing Ancaster service station, 157.9 at 191.9.
Roger, we saw 199.9, didn't we? They've gone a bit more services today.
Yeah, it's always dear though. That's very expensive for Ancaster service station. And I thought now it was all sorted, price of petrol are coming down.
Oh no, they'll put it up on the slightly difficulty problems. And they'll put it down about a year later.
Yeah, Roger.
Like government budgets, you know, there'll be such and such tax on beer and fags and things. 6 o'clock tonight. You'll get a bit more on discounts on such and such on April next year.
That's right. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
What you got? You're going to Ancaster Crossroads.
Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. From Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. On the road.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. On a road.
The Rotel RVC240 from 1981 using the Cyberne XP 4 chassis, radio service full 4 watt output, and I'm on a standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, roger.
Over.
Roger, got you going over level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got your 5 mile point. I'm on this Rotel RVC240 from 1981, travelling at 134 up the tier chassis, and we're on a standard replacement mic. Radio's drawing 1.2 amps, and it's delivering a full 4 watt output. We're going to go to low power, and it's we've got leads coming back on trees. It may not work out. Set 400 milliwatt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. There we are on full power. While we're on full power, we'll go to the clear position on the speech processor. There's the clear position, make it sound awful, and there we are back to normal, over.
Yep, no problems on full power. Low power adds over the rider squelch, and it was noisy and kind of hard to hear. Clear position just sounds tinny, and normal position sounds normal.
There we go, off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Over. Yep, 157.9 and 189.7.
Roger, that works treat, thank you. Don't forget to parcel that. Post that parcel at Lancaster on your way back. And that worked great. Thank you.
Yep, Roger, I'll parcel that post.
Do indeed, thank you very much.
10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Whenever the level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rorsby level crossing. We've got a special prize for the at that end, please. Over.
Yep, 157.9 and 189.7.
Roger, that worked a treat, thank you. Don't forget to parcel that, to post that to parcel at Ancaster on your way back. And that worked great, thank you.
Yep, Roger, I'll parcel that post.
You do indeed, thank you very much, 10-10. There you go, better than spec by a long way. Really, really good Rotel RVC240. It's one of those 1 in 1,000 sets with sensitivity something like 0.19 of a microvolt for 10 decibel cyanide. Absolutely phenomenal. We'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like on that mic, and on the factory original mic, just like that.
Tango 21 setting the Rotel RVC240 with standard replacement.